Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, just look at these wings. Just look how beautiful it looks. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to prepare this very delicious sesame wings. Right here, I have roughly about 2 pounds of chicken wing, and I'm just going in with some salt to taste. Also gonna add half teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, and guys, it's better to use the light soya sauce. Alright, so now I'm going in with 1 chicken bouillon cube. Jesus, guys, trust me, this is the toughest bouillon cube I ever come across. Cool running, what you put in this bouillon cube? Jesus. Alright, I'm just gonna throw it inside and rub it together and just hopefully it melt out. Now I'm going in with 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 egg. Now I'm gonna go ahead and massage my seasoning into my chicken wings. And guys, trust me, this is smelling so delicious already, and I'm not even started preparing it as yet. Alright, so for my sauce, I'm now going in with 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Also gonna add 3 tablespoons of honey, 3 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger or grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and also 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together. And guys, make sure you mix this properly, right? With my stove and high heat, I'm now going in with some corn oil. And guys, you can use whichever oil you choose. Alright, so me while my oil is being hot, I'm now gonna go ahead and start to the breading. So first I'm gonna add 1 cup of flour, also 1 cup of cornstarch, and I'm gonna mix it all together properly. After completing my breading, I'm now gonna go ahead and start adding my wings. Alright guys, if you happen to reach this far in the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also the notification bell, so you can get notified each and every time I release a new video. Alright, so I'm just gonna coat them a bit with the breading. Then I'm gonna close the lid and shake them, just to ensure that my wings is well coated with the breading. With my oil heated 380 Fahrenheit, I'm now going in with my wings. And I'm gonna fry my wings for 6 minutes, right? Because I'm gonna go ahead and refry just to make that crispiness stand out, right? To make the chicken extra crispy. And guys, just look how golden and beautiful these chicken wings are. Just look at it. Wow, crispy already. And I'm gonna fry it again even to make it more crispier, right? So it can take the sauce more better. Well, the mouth I run water already, don't it? Tell the truth. Don't tell the mouth I run water. Look for them chicken here. After frying and set to cool for 10 minutes, I'm gonna refry again. And guys, ensure that the oil is still hot, right? You still need that oil to be at 380 degrees or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the time you need to watch your wings carefully, so you don't want to burn these, right? You just want it to be nice and golden. Now I'm gonna go ahead and remove them from the oil. And guys, look how beautiful they look now. Watch it, look. Yeah man, this is the color I'm looking for. So pretty, so golden, look at it. I'm definitely gonna eat 2 pieces of this wing before I even had the sauce on it. Look how pretty they are. Alright, so now I'm going in with my sauce. And immediately you see it start to thicken, right, because of the cornstarch. Look at it, beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going in with my chicken wings. And guys, trust me, the kitchen is bursting with flavor right now. And I'm just tossing them around in the sauce just to ensure that the wings are properly coated. Alright, so now I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, right? I'm just gonna toss them a bit just to ensure that the sesame seed is spread all over the wings. And look at it guys, just look how gorgeous this is. Alright guys, so here I have the finishing product of my sesame chicken wings. Oh look, look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow. Nice. Alright guys, so you can just go ahead and serve this up with whatever sides you choose. But for me, I'm gonna have mine with some pumpkin rice, right? Alright, so I'm just topping it off with some spring onion right here. Look how beautiful this looks. Wow. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take a bite and tell you guys what it's tasting like. Look how pretty it is. Trust me, I wish if your taste buds was my taste bud right now, you'll be tasting exactly what I'm tasting. So delicious, trust me.